Hey fam, ever wondered how I keep up with Fluffy's health? PrettyLitter? Duh. It's like having a vet in your kitchen. Seriously, those health monitoring indicators give me peace of mind. Early detection, happy kitty, and get this, no messy clumps. The non-clumping formula means zero cringeworthy cleanup sessions. Just scoop and done. Efficiency goals? Am I right? Oh, and the smell. Oh my god, it's life-changing. Bye-bye nasty litter odors. My home smells fresher than ever. Trust me, you'll love it. Grab yours now at just $48.98. Your fur baby deserves this royal treatment. Don't wait. Transform your cat care game today.